Selamat lemai serta merik tabik basah gaya kita semua. Bergulai dengan aku Chris Benfola, bak Buletin Ukas Iban 10 Februari 2021. Batang berita, atur darurat diudah dikebenar ke Yang di-Pertuan Agong Al-Sultan Abdullah Riayatuddin Al-Mustafa Billah Shah terang mandang ke pengawal berpilih negeri PRN di negeri Sarawak hendak boleh diperjalaika. Kepala Menteri Sarawak Datuk Petinggi Dr. Abang Abdul Rahman Zohari Tun Datuk Abang Openg madah PRN Sarawak endang udah diperambut dekat diatur habis laun pun bulan Ogos 2021. Tang ketegal pandemik COVID-19 majak nyadi, Perintah Gabungan Sarawak GPS manggai ke perkaranya ngagai di Pertuan Agong.
Pilihan raya negeri sebenarnya telah dirancang oleh saya untuk diadakan pada tahun lepas. Namun, kita memilih untuk menangguhkannya, memandangkan keadaan tidak mengizinkan. Kesihatan dan kesejahteraan rakyat kita menjadi keutamaan kerajaan GPS, pimpinan saya.
Perkara itu diterang ke ia bak jakuk khas bersering bayangau tahun baru Cina 2021 sehari itu tadi. Maya tu megak Kepala Menteri madah hendak ulih dikenggai ke pandemik COVID-19 balat benar ngenatai ke penanggul ngagai rakyat. Tangkuk ya, rakyat Sarawak bertuah benar laban perintah negeri udah nyendia ke bantu 3 bilion ringgit dengan 5 pakej bantu khas. Sarawak ku sayang BKSS kelimpah bisi megak bantu ari perintah besai bakal bantuan prihatin National BPN.
We are lucky as Sarawakians are able to receive assistance both from the state and federal government. For example, many of you receive cash assistance under Bantuan Prihatin Nasional BPN and also receive similar cash assistance under BKSS. At the same time, consumers in Sarawak are given deduction in their electricity bills, again both from the state and federal governments at 23% and 2% respectively. I believe people in the United States do not enjoy this privilege of receiving dual assistance, but we are only the other state that can give so.
Bekawal engkau pemutus nerit ke atur mindah bertagang PKP. Ko ia nerang, Sarawak megak bernasib manah ketegal bisik kuasa ti ulih ngagak pemutus diri empu alai PKP seminat dipercalai ke di Sibu kapit engkau song. Tuk kuya dekat nentu kedagang dipilih bukai mengkang ulih dipercalai ke dikena negut ke agi ekonomi maya menua benuang betapi engkau penanggul maya tu.
Sarawak is also lucky as we have the power to make our own decision to suit our local condition and not necessarily following the decision of the federal government every time, which may not be in our best interest. The state government is implementing this policy as we have the autonomous right as enshrined in the 9th schedule, clause 7 of the concurrent lists. And that is the right that we have to protect for the future. In spite of all the challenges, I am happy to tell you that our economic fundamentals are strong.
Kelimpah harinya, Kepala Menteri megak madah, Perintah Sarawak perintah ti inklusif alai bantu nintiang tahun dekat diterus ke ungkup 14 buah sekolah Cina di selampur negeri itu. Ko ia, geranari perintah negeri sepenyampau 10 juta ringgit udah diberi ngagai sekolahnya ti megak nanduk pementas niang Kepala Menteri sebedau tu Pehen Sri Adanan Satim ngagai sekolah Cina.
Sistem pendidikan sekolah persendirian Cina sedia ada yang juga melibatkan ramai pelajar bukan Cina. Tidak harus diabaikan kerana ia juga menyumbang kepada pembangunan sumber manusia negeri ini, lebih-lebih lagi dalam konteks ekonomi serantau yang didahului oleh ekonomi negara China.
Berduduk hari perkara tu, berserimbai ngau tahun baru Cina 2021, ia minta rakyat pupu bangsa ngetan ke penegut ke penyerakup tajak pengeraminya tahun tu hendak disambut bakal selama. Nampung isi berita, Kepala Menteri sudah nerima penemui bahasa Ari Upis Kaunsil Pedawan MPP di Wisma Bapa Malaysia, Petra Jaya Saritu. Tujuh penatai MPP ti dulu ke Chairman SIDA, Insinyur Loh Kee Chiang, ianya nerang ngagai Kepala Menteri berkawal ngau perambu ngagak kompleks UPIS MPP kebaru. Penatai MPP tu disempulang Menteri Pengawal Berumah ngau Perintah Menua, Datuk Seri Dr. Sim Kui Hian ngau sapit Sekretari Perintah Negeri Sarawak, Datuk Seri Muhammad Abu Bakar Marzuki. Maya berandau ngau media nangkan kenyak, Insinyur Loh Kee Chiang madah ke Kepala Menteri udah bersetuju nyau mengungkup ke 60 juta ringgit dikena berjadi ke projek UPIS SIDA.
This office building, this new office building is very majestic, very iconic, and fits the, fits the time, the time that we're in now. The office complex is going to be a 9-story building. The main office complex is going to be a 9-story building. And we're going to have a library with a cafe. We're going to have an auditorium, which we don't have now in our Padawan Council. And we're going to have sports facilities as well.
Ngalih ngagai berita COVID-19, Sarawak sari tu ngerikut 135 kes positif COVID-19 baru lalu nambah ke semua penyampau kes nyak dia tu manggai 6,006 kes. Sapit Kepala Menteri Tim Megak Chairman Komiti Penyangga Penusah Negeri JPBN Sarawak, Datuk Amar Douglas Ugah Mbas, madah kes sari tu ditemu nyadi bak 12 bengkah pelilih menua.
Sibu masih tinggi 83, Bentulu 19, Miri 9, Dalat 6, Julau 5, Kuching 3, Betong 3, Lunduk 2, Kapit 2, Beluru 1, Serian 1, Kenawit 1.
Berjakuk bau media sari tu tadi, kok ya, hari penyampaunya 3 kluster hari 15 itik kluster di Sarawak, bisi nambah kes ianya kluster Seruas Beluru, kluster Rakut Miri hingga kluster Pasai Sibu.
Kluster Seruas Beluru 2 kes pada hari ini, jadi jumlah kes 66. Kluster Rakut Miri 10 kes, menjadi kes 167. Kluster Pasai penambahan 5 kes, jadi jumlah kes 2,368.
Lalu di Lundu, Beluru Kapit Song Dalat Bintulu Kenawit, Miri Ngau Sibu Mengkang Akit Zon Mirah. Bau media tu, Dato' Amar Douglas Ugah Megak Madah, JPBN Sarawak udah mutus ke atur mindah petagang diterit ke PKPD dekat Belabuh diperjalai ke bak flat engau genturung pendiau di Taun Villa Sibu Jaya, berengkah 12 nyentuk 25 Februari 2021.
Keputusan ini dibuat kerana Sibu Jaya sendiri telah mencatatkan 270 kes positif COVID-19. Jumlah penduduk di kedua-dua tempat ini adalah 6,000 orang.
Atur mindah petagang PKP di Sarawak Diatuk Benung diperjalai ke urung 88,857 pintu bilik di Sitak Sibu engkau pelilih Kapit serta Song. Sapit Kepala Menteri Sarawak Dato' Amar Awang Tengah Haliasan Madah, nakak kesari tu Perintah Sarawak mujur nyadong bantu pemakai ngagai 48,764 ruang bilik di Sitak Sibu.
The committee has been instructed to expedite the distribution to the remaining 24,047 out of the total 50,245 affected households in the urban areas, mainly in Sibu town, by this week.
Nambah ke Jakuk di Sitak Kapit 6,681 pintu bilik udah nerima bantu kesebaka.
Whereas for Kapit, the Divisional Disaster Management Committee has managed to deliver food assistance to 6,681 households from the total number of about 16,000 affected with this imposition of MCO in Kapit and Song district. The Divisional Disaster Management Committee of Kapit, as well as in Sibu Division, were also instructed to include those households which are not in the earlier list of recipients.
Nampung isi berita, Upis Museum Sarawak udah numbuh ke Sarawak Museum App seririh henggau pengeransing negeri itu jadi negeri berpelasar ke digital. Menteri Dagang Temuai Seni Ngau Main asal Sarawak, Dato' Abdul Karim Rahman Hamzah Madah, tuk megak Siti Ari Pengawal Upisnya nyungkak ke industri dagang temuai negeri Sarawak.
This is also in line with the digital initiative implemented by the state government to make Sarawak as one of the leading tourism destination in Sarawak. By using the apps, visitors are able to learn and to know more of the collections in the museum and also be well informed on museum activities and ongoing exhibitions.
Ia bercakap munyinya maya berjadi engau au media Sarawak Museum Journal engau Sarawak Museum App di Kuching Saritu. Maya tu megak ia berjadi jurnal Museum Sarawak, Sarawak Museum Journal. Nakak tu dulu buletin ukas Iban bergulai dengan aku Crispin Fowler. Engau balakru buletin. Berita keseliak lagi tahu dipedak nengah semua laman media ukas yang kau mbak portal ukas.sarawak.gov.my tentu ke kita subscribe ukas channel di YouTube. Dikena ngujung ke berita lemah itu, buletin ukas Iban mai kita mendiang ke Jakut Sapit Kepala Menteri Tan Sri Dato' Amar James Jemut Masing engau Dato' Amar Awang Tengah Haliasan berserimai engau Tahun Baru Cina 2021.
Salam Sarawakku sayang. As we approach the Year of the Ox, please keep the instruction of SDMC very closely. Keep washing your hand, social distancing, and use face masks. I wish all my Chinese friends a happy Chinese New Year 2021. And may God bless you all. Kong Si Fat Chai.
Salam sejahtera dan kongsi pacai. I wish all our Chinese friends a happy Chinese New Year and may the year of Ox bring us strength, diligence, dependability and determination. I hope these qualities of Ox, according to the Chinese zodiac, will help us to overcome future challenges and build a better Sarawak for ourselves and our children. Dear friends, the Chinese New Year celebration will be very different from the past years due to COVID-19 pandemic. The enforcements of MCO and CMCO no doubt has caused hardship to all of us. But it is necessary so that the pandemic can be contained. Apart from the assistance provided by the federal government, the Sarawak government has also provided both financial and non-financial assistance through 5 packages of Bantuan Khas Sarawakku Sayang worth about 3 billion ringgit Malaysia. With vaccines on the horizon, I hope all of us will be able to return to our normal lives soon. Sarawak government has made a commitment to ensure that every Sarawakian will be given the vaccine for COVID-19 free of charge. The current monsoon season has resulted in flooding in some parts of Sarawak, but I believe this will not dampen the spirit of our Chinese friends as they welcome the Lunar New Year. This year, the Chinese New Year will be celebrated only with immediate family members in complying with SOP. While we may not be able to gather with our extended family members and friends from near and far, we can take comfort that advanced technology such as video conferencing and social media will allow us to remain in contact during this festive season. As we celebrate the New Year, we also like to thank our frontliners who have shown great courage, dedication, and professionalism in combating the pandemic to keep us safe. Let us all celebrate this Chinese New Year under the new norm by strictly adhering to the SOP. I hope the Year of the Ox will begin a new cycle of hope and success to all of us. Akhir kata, sekali lagi saya mengucapkan Selamat Tahun Baru Cina 2021. Stay safe, stay healthy. Kong Si Pa Chai.